the 2-in-1 charging and storage mount should be installed in a cool, dry place. The bottom of the mounting template sticker should be level. Use a power drill with an 8mm drill bit to drill a hole into each hole marker. Then insert a wall plug into each hole. Fasten the mount to the wall with the included screws. The bottom of the 2-in-1 charging and storage mount at least 103 centimeters from the ground, and its top should have at least 30 centimeters of clearance above it. A full charge will take approximately 3.5 hours. Press down the battery pack, release button, and slide the battery pack to the right as illustrated to remove it.